Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we call the best Plantronics headset in its class, the Plantronics 3320 Blackwire by Poly. This is the team's certified 2023 version with both USB-C and USB-A connectivity, and it's built to deliver professional-level audio and comfort in a sleek, straightforward package. Let's kick things off with design and build quality. The Blackwire 3320 has a simple yet professional look. The headset is entirely on-ear, finished in matte black, with a plush padded headband and pillow soft ear cushions. Even after hours of wear, the headset maintains its comfort, something critical for long meetings, calls, or deep focus sessions. What's also nice is the 180-degree pivoting speakers and a flexible microphone boom. This design allows for a fully adjustable fit, catering to different users and wearing preferences. Now, on to connectivity. This headset gives you versatility straight out of the box. It connects to your PC or Mac using USB-C, but if you're working with an older device, no worries. A USB-C to USB-A adapter is included. This dual compatibility is what really makes the 2023 version stand out. No need for extra accessories, no driver installations, just plug and play. Let's talk audio. Poly, formerly known as Plantronics, is known for its superior audio engineering, and the 3320 doesn't disappoint. Whether you're on a video call, listening to music, or jumping into a webinar, the hi-fi stereo sound delivers crisp highs and rich lows. The microphone boom is flexible and designed to pick up your voice clearly while reducing background noise, making it perfect for busy environments or open workspaces. This version is also Microsoft Teams certified, meaning it has been tested and approved to integrate seamlessly with Teams. There's a dedicated Teams button on the headset itself, giving you instant access to launch the app, join meetings, or check notifications. It's a small feature, but it can really enhance workflow and productivity, especially in professional settings where Teams is the main collaboration tool. We also have to highlight the durability. The Blackwire 3320 is built for daily use, and the materials used here feel reliable without being too bulky or heavy. It's not trying to be a luxury audiophile headset. It's aiming to be the dependable tool you wear every day for work, and it does that job exceptionally well. Shipping globally, this particular headset is also available on Amazon as an exclusive, and yes, it ships to India too. It's great to see such a reliable headset available worldwide, especially for remote professionals or hybrid teams that need quality gear they can count on. So who is this headset really for? If you're someone working from home, in a corporate environment, or part of a customer support team, the Plantronics 3320 Blackwire offers everything you need: clarity, comfort, compatibility, and a no-fuss setup. It's also a great choice for students attending online classes or anyone who's regularly hopping on Zoom, Meet, or Teams calls. To wrap it up, if you want a dependable, professional-grade headset without breaking the bank, the Plantronics 3320 Blackwire is a top-tier choice. It balances great sound, premium comfort, and modern connectivity all in one. We highly recommend it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on product reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.